Hey guys, Coach Nate Brigneri here. I've been a personal trainer group instructor for 5 years now, and I've been doing obstacle course race training for over 8 years. When I first got into fitness, I found that there was really no type of obstacle course race training, so I spent about the next 5 to 8 years really deep diving into the industry, looking for ways to get a little more efficient at the training and really dial it in and understand how to build that cardiovascular endurance and that strength that was really necessary for functional fitness within the obstacle course. My first race, I actually got hypothermia at mile 6. My racing partner left me, and I spent kind of the next years really trying to figure out how to train for these type of races. That led me to my 12-week program, which has an 8-step champion method, which is how I train my clients to increase their cardiovascular endurance, their strength endurance, and also really dial in that mindset coaching. I'm based out of O2 Body Fit here in Daly City. We have plenty of equipment, got a 5,000 square foot space. Over the 8-week period, we dial into that mental component, and in those last few weeks, we really dial into that full course. So you're gonna see a breadth of knowledge really condensed into a linear progression for those 12 weeks where you're gonna understand one obstacle at a time and really gonna work towards that functional, really competitive way, but also in a team dynamic that's gonna support your growth as an individual, but also as a team.